Furniture Outlet Company Limited. Iyo ni isoko y'isuku umucyuka w'umuryango wamenye Furniture Outlet Company Limited. Ahakorerwa ibiryo ijisho biramba bitanga umunezero ku babiribye n'abitunze kugeza gukorana akifuza kwagaruka kenshi. Shimiye Furniture Outlet Company Limited yavuze iti nta mpamvu yo kujya imahanga. Nimahera hafi intebe z'uruhu runoze amabara ajyanye n'amahitamo yawe. Zimwe wicaramo ukavimvira amara agataha ku mutima. Mune wibere za gariderobe utubati ibitanda by'ubwoko bwose intebe z'ahantu hose nko mu rusengero muri salamanje muri jaride n'ahandi hose ushaka. Ndakubuza kutagira impungenge zo kugira icyo bazakorera ko byose bijyanye na meuble urabihasanga keretse ibitabo. Ese nawe turi gushama no gutunga made in Rwanda mu nzu yawe. Ibyo byose twavuze haruguru hari inzira imwe yo kubigeraho. Ndavuga kugira amahoro ku mutima no gutunga made in Rwanda mu nzu yawe. No gufata telefone yawe ugahamagara cyangwa ukatwandikira kuri WhatsApp kuri 0888 cyangwa twandikira kuri email yacu ariyo harimana325@gmail.com cyangwa kadusura aho dukorera mu Gakinjiro. Nimuze muri isanga.
Along. Honey, we just keep on keeping on, 'cause love makes us strong. As long as we got love, we can't go wrong. We don't need no money, honey, you and I. What we've got together, money just can't buy. There's plenty of I got you, you got me,